Hey YouTube, this video is not about this today, but this is just a preview of what's coming soon. It's more about this. I did a Carven exhaust system on this a few days ago back. I did the Carven RPT, it's called. It's their new muffler that they have out for it. I did full stainless exhaust. I eliminated all resonators. The one before the muffler and the two that are by the tailpipes. Sorry about that. Kept the factory tips because I liked the way they looked. But I do know that this is a little bit of a review, so I got to give you guys the pros and cons. Main thing about it is after I installed it, I realized that I kind of lost a little bit of power. But for some reason, it seems like it's starting to gain it back. A couple of forums said that the ECU has to relearn how to process the whole exhaust system. So I don't know, I guess we'll have to see how things go. But anyways, I'll give you guys a start on it. It's going to be a cold start. Today's a cloudy, rainy day in Dallas. This will be the first time I'm starting it in the morning. So here it is. Yes, that's it. If you have any questions, by all means, leave in the comments.